So I'm going to show you how to trim a quarter square triangle, and for the purposes of this demonstration I'm going to trim it to 3 inches. So I'm going to use my square ruler by OmniGrid, and I've got this 45-degree line running through the centre, and you need to line that up against one of those stitch lines. Now, because we're trimming this to 3 inches, this centre point here needs to be at 1.5. 1.5 is half of 3. So I'm lining the 45-degree line up, and then I'm also lining 1.5 inches this way and 1.5 inches this way. So that point in the middle there is 1.5 inches along here and 1.5 inches along here. Once everything is lined up, I'm going to trim up the right hand side and along the top. I'm now going to rotate this around, and I'm going to line that 45-degree line up again, and once again I'm going to line that centre point up at the 1.5 point. So I've got 1.5 here and 1.5 here, that centre point here. I'm now going to trim up the right hand side and along the top. And so now we have a 1/4 inch triangle piece trimmed to 3 inches.